Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change background color for any section on Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Shopify's homepage by using your user credentials. Now, after navigating to your homepage, you'll have to click on this online store button under sales channel. Now, you will be on themes page where you'll have to just click on the customize button after your current theme. Now, you'll be taken to this page, that is the theme editing page of your Shopify. Here, you can edit all the themes you will have published. In order to change the background color of any section on Shopify, you'll have to simply navigate to that section. A section is basically a part of the page on Shopify that is divided into different parts. As you can see, I have this first section that says home, the second section that says featured collection. So a section will always appear in this blue area on your screen. Simply navigate to the section, left click, and you will see the settings for that section appearing at the left of the screen. Now, in order to change the background color for this section, you'll have to scroll down on this left menu and navigate to the section that says color scheme. In color scheme, you will see the edit option and change option. Click on change and set the color scheme to other scheme that is not applied to any other section. So the changes that you do to this section only remains in this one. It doesn't get applied to other sections. Now, after changing the scheme, you'll have to click on the edit icon just under scheme. And you'll be taken to this page that will have this background gradient, text, solid button background label, outline and shadow color. In order to change the background, click on this background option and you will see this color board where you can choose any color you want just by taking this circle, holding it using your left click and picking another color. Now on this small square, you can change the gradient of this color. If you want to change the color, simply take this small circle, choose any color that you want for that specific section. After doing this, you can choose the gradient and intensity of that color by using this circle. So I'm choosing something like this. Now after doing this, as you can see, you have successfully changed the background color for this section. Now, if you want to change the background gradient of this section, simply click on background gradient option and choose any kind of color gradient that you want for this section. And you will have a color that will look something like this. It is basically a gradient. You can also choose the gradient color by selecting the circle at one end, choosing another color or the intensity, selecting second circle, and choosing another color if you wish. Now after doing this, click on save icon at the top right side of the screen and click on exit. After you do this, you can simply click on this view your online store button and you'll be taken to view your online store page. Here, as you can see, I have successfully changed the color of this section on my Shopify's page. So that is how you change background color for any section on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.